Hey team, welcome back. Let's go ahead and talk about the introduction. This is such an important piece of what we do. We have a 30 to 60 second window to make an impact, to build a connection. And because this is such a vital piece, there's a couple of things that we should work on. Let's go ahead and pull up the script. So when you practice your script, it's very important to work on the tone of your voice. No one ever got ahead by doing something like this. Hey team, how's it going? This is Eddie Gray. And today I want to talk to you. Right? That's boring. That's definitely not going to work. Take your voice. Start playing with it. If you're not the outgoing type, here's what I recommend. Pretend that you're talking to a friend. This always puts me in a good mood. And listen, if you're an introvert, just do me a favor. Learn to play the game. Something else that you could do is you can start smiling when you talk. I think this is such an important skill to learn how to conquer, to work on, and I definitely think not enough people do it. It's amazing what can happen when you start to smile, even if it's just a little bit. You can start hearing the quality of your voice change, and I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, but Eddie, I'm too cool for that. And listen, you're gonna have to get over it because this is a critical piece of product walkthrough videos. I wanna try out this little test with you. Which video would you rather watch? Would you rather watch this gentleman right here, or would you rather watch this guy here? The first individual is a renowned psychologist. He's saying all kinds of fascinating stuff. This guy over here is just sitting down for 4 hours straight, but because he's smiling, it makes an impact. Point taken, Eddie. So go ahead. Posture upright, shoulders up, eyebrows up, and smile. And listen, if you're terrified of being in front of the camera, you're not alone. No one is going to know because you have a smile on your face. Many of you are walking people through a software product, in which case, go ahead, enable the screen that you want to record along with your web camera here. Then make sure to record your audio source. And then finally, if you'd like to record sounds coming out of your computer or an application, go ahead and enable system audio. All right, so for most of you, that's going to be enough. But if you're like me, you're also going to want to cover a physical product. In this example, I'll use my iPhone as a secondary camera to capture the actual product. I'm going to attach it to this nifty stand that I got on Amazon. And now I'll adjust the phone so everything looks good. I can adjust my video settings on the top left here. And then when the time is right, go ahead, hit record on the iPhone itself, hit record within Camtasia, and lastly, I'll use a Hollywood technique to sync everything together. I'm gonna clap. I can make your hands clap. Now I'll go ahead and I'll record the intro that I've loosely scripted. Note to self, remember to smile. I'll stop Camtasia, stop recording on my phone. I'll airdrop the video files to my computer. I'll then take the files, drag them into Camtasia. You can also import them by going to File, Import, or hitting the appropriate key command. All right, good people, in the next video, we are going to build a title sequence. I will see you there.